3 years ago, I was here at TruTech Precision in Dundalk in Ireland. I was speaking to Dave, who's operating their very first Excetek machine from Warwick Machine Tools. They've further invested in another wire machine from Excetek, also a drill machine, but now they've invested in a die sink machine from Excetek, and we're going to be talking to Joe and Paul about the relationship and also the further investment. Joe, it's your 25th anniversary at TruTech Precision coming up this year. Fantastic machine tool shop. You're working very much into the medical sector, but tell us a little bit about your relationship with Warwick Machine Tools, with the Excetek machines and the investment.
Well, we first started dealing with Warwick Machine Tools 24 years ago. We bought our first CNC spark rotor, and we purchased our first wire rotor 3 years ago, which was followed up last year by another wire rotor, hole sparker, and now we've bought this Excetek sinker.
Obviously, it's very much about the quality of the machine, but also the relationship you have with Paul Barry, who's based in Ireland. That's very important to you, isn't it?
Very important. There was a selling factor in the first wire, and the backup Paul gives, the training, is second to none.
And I think also when you look at the size of the company, since I've been here 3 years ago, not just the investment in the actual machines and the quality of the machines, but it's also the people here as well, isn't it?
Yeah, we've 3 extra people now on the floor, 3 extra tool makers, fed by the wire rotors. Basically, it's producing an awful lot more work coming in from the customer.
And I think when you actually work with such customers in the medical sector, you know, the quality of the products has to be spot on, and the repeatability as well.
Oh yeah, the tolerances of 5 microns on the wiring.
So really, when you sum up the type of machines and the investment and the relationship you have with Warwick Machine Tools, it's really very much down for the benefit of your customer.
Yeah, the machines are very good. Spark rotor is very good.
Jason, you're the production manager here at TruTech Precision, but when you look at the type of machines that you're investing in, like the Excetek, how good are they?
Well, this machine here is very good now. We've done our research, we know the work we're doing, we sent test parts away, got the results from Excetek, then we went over ourselves to make sure that they stand up, and now we can do it on the machine here now, no problem.
Paul, what an amazing journey that you've had with TruTech Precision in Dundalk here. Now, they took their first machine 3 years ago when we was here, but your relationship stems back to 24 years.
Yeah, 24 years, where did that go? Yeah, we were here with yourselves 3 years ago when they bought the first Excetek wire machine, and yeah, I installed it, trained it, and looked after them ever since. And yeah, capacity was soon gone on that machine. They decided they needed to take another machine. That led to also a small hole drilling machine, and more recently we've just placed the Excetek ED400C sparky rotor.
Well, we know that the quality of the Excetek machines is fantastic, both on sink and also die, and also the drilling as well. But really, what works in Ireland is yourself being based in Ireland. You've got spares, you've got quick response, you've got the training capacity, you're servicing the machines, and also you've got spares here as well.
Yeah, it's sort of the one-stop shop really. I mean, yeah, we've got spares available off the shelf in Ireland, which is pretty unique really. I'm based in Dublin, so I can get anywhere fairly quickly to see a customer if they've got any application issues or just want to talk about a new machine, anything like that. And yeah, I do the servicing, training, installation, application. Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
It's like having a full support, isn't it? The complete package. But you know as well as I do, you work with a lot of companies that work for the medical sector, and the demands in that area is very high. And these guys have proved that they can actually win more work.
Oh yeah. I mean, the work they do here is very impressive. Very small components to high tolerances, and yeah, I mean the wire machines, the Excetek wire machines, very often they're running them on very fine wires as well to keep the corners sharp in the medical devices that they're producing.